Hey guys, Ryan here with Planet Cheapskate, and I'm about to do a walkthrough of Fremont Street. It is a 5:15, so it's not too busy, but I just wanted you guys to be able to share this experience with me. I'm going to do a quick roundabout. So you can see Fremont East. Not too much going on out there, except for usually during the evening. They have like a really cool dragon out there, but I'm going to switch the camera around so you can check out the experience with me. All right, take care. So over here, there's like a heart attack grill, and they have like a scale you can get on to see how much you weigh. But if you go in there and become a patient, they kind of bust your balls a little bit. It's kind of an experience people like. So up above, there's like it's like a sky ride. I guess you can like glide down Fremont Street. Didn't really have too much time, but I do want to do it at some point. Seems like it'd be pretty cool. It's called SlotZilla. And as you can see, we're getting ready to head that way. But so the largest LCD screen in the world hangs over Fremont Street. And as you can see, there's another White Castle. I'm still really butthurt about the fact that White Castle was founded in Wichita and we don't have any. Because they're kind of good. Late night, they're usually open 24/7, and you can get good food there. Lots of love in Las Vegas. These drivers are kind of wild too, but as you can see, it's a really cool screen. Every so often they'll have like a show that they do on like a time. I don't know, it's like on a schedule. I don't know. Here we go. So as we're walking, you'll see these little circles on the ground, and those circles are for kind of just for like performers or people who are like begging or anything. They have to be in those assigned spaces. I think we're in the middle of the Guns N' Roses presentation. And they got really cool vendors. Like you can get these little necklaces. I'm not gonna get one because I don't have to take it back. So this is the D. That's where my marketing event was. Oh, you can get a caricature made of yourself. It's really cool. If you come to Vegas, I mean, it's at least worth checking out. If you like to be up all night, you might want to stay down here. I stayed down here once and I literally couldn't get to sleep because it was so loud. Like there's concerts till 2, 3 in the morning. It's wild. It's definitely a good spot for like people watching, if you like to people watch. There's Four Queens. That's a really like economical hotel that you could stay at if you wanted to stay for cheap. You could definitely look into the Four Queens. You're gonna get some good deals there. It's an older casino. You want to come to Vegas and be a cheapskate? Stay at Four Queens. So I try not to call them out like when I'm walking by, but as you can see, there's also models for the ladies too, but I try not to acknowledge it too much because their literal profession and their livelihood is taking pictures with you. But just know that if you take pictures with them, they're gonna want like $30, $40 depending on the poses, how many pictures you take. So just be aware of that. So over here to the left is Golden Nugget. It's like a little bit more expensive than Four Queens, but I think it's a lot nicer. It has a really awesome pool, and I think it's a good spot to stay. As you can see, the screen is very large. It's still going on it there. The largest LCD screen. I think I was about to say LSD. It looks like LSD right now, doesn't it? But yeah, largest LCD screen. And there's a performer over there. There's the big cowboy. There's a lot of these like people watching spots that you can set up, watch people go by. Like this isn't even busy at all. Like this is gonna be hopping like probably around 8 or 9. Circa is like probably my favorite hotel to stay at if you're to be down here. It's recently remodeled. They also have a really, really awesome pool at the top where you can do sports betting. They got a bar you can go up to right from the pool. It's a really cool spot. If money wasn't an issue and you wanted to stay on the Fremont Street, I would highly recommend Circa. It's like really dead right now though. I'm gonna go around here, but they usually do concerts right there. They actually have pretty good performances, and they do go late. Like if you're a late nighter, then Fremont Street might be the good place for you. It looks like the plaza, they might be doing some construction, but it's usually pretty cool. It's very bright at night with all those lights. If you remember the last video I did, I walked through there and kind of started my walk through there, I think. But it's very cool. Never stayed there. Looks like you can win a Ram Trex. It's pretty nice. Alright, there it was, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Planet Cheapskate. I'll see you later.